So I've spoken to a large variety of end users and even citizen developers, and all their feedback and or frustrations can be summarized into two different kinds. One is when they say, hey Daniel, I have these important yet mundane tasks that I have to do either on a daily, weekly, or monthly level. Second is when they say, hey, we've got these legacy applications which we know we're going to sunset. However, until then, I still have to go ahead and do these mundane tasks. So is there a way I can go ahead and automate all of these so I can actually focus on some important tasks at hand? And if you fall in one of those categories, then I highly urge you to attend my workshop called RPA Unleash, Automate Your Mundane Tasks to Reclaim Your Time. So let me just give you an overview of the content that I'll be covering. So first, I'll start by showing you how you can build a basic Copilot by describing it using a prompt or even recording the steps. Next, when you're building the desktop flow, I'll show you how you can go ahead and leverage your Copilot to add other steps that you can describe or even summarize. So for example, if I said add a comment step and I hit enter, now in the desktop flow, it will actually go ahead and create the action for you. I'll even show you how you can find certain actions which has Copilot assistance. And when you are in the action, you can leverage the Copilot to even go ahead and complete the action for you. It really becomes that simple. So everything that I just showed you is just a slight taste of all the content that I'll be covering in this workshop. And if this gets you excited, then this is the place that you want to see. And I look forward to meeting you in person.